It is a wireless keyboard and mouse. It has the retro style keys. You can see it comes in three colors, the purple, the white, and the black. The keys are backlit, and you can change the lighting, you can change the brightness, and you can also change the colors, and the mouse is backlit as well. It also comes with this wrist rest, and it attaches magnetically. I'm going to get this connected to my computer and let you see what it looks like. Both the keyboard and the mouse are rechargeable, and it comes with a USB-C charging cable. There are several different lights, and you can also adjust the brightness of each light. You just simply plug in a USB thumb drive, and it connects automatically. If you would like to have this retro style keyboard, then click the shopping cart below and order yours today.